Hello everyone and welcome to this ghetto-ish repair of my, well, not this one, but my other iPod video headphone jack. I just managed to break this. I already opened it up and I realized that when I press the back of the iPod, this pressure starts correcting it. I will try to show you this. There should only have been sound on one ear, or one of your speakers. Now, what I found out is that when this little flappy thingy is off, it's only on one side of the ear. When it's vertical and pushed against the headphone jack part, it will work just fine. Let me show you.
No way.
As you can see, now with this pressed against the headphone jack part, it works. Now let me do the ghetto-ish part and just stick some paper in. Now when the battery here will be placed back here, there will be enough pressure to hold it in place, I hope. Let's close it up. Also be possible that you need to apply pressure from above rather than from the side. You can just put some paper in between the screen and your headphone jack and that will do the job. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe or leave a comment.